Hello friends, this is Atul Shingarwadi here in the video lecture series over this data mining and data warehousing. This is what the fourth unit of our syllabus. In this unit we are going to learn two more concepts related to this particular data mining issue, and that is known as what classification and prediction. This is what a first video over this particular topic where we are going to discuss some of the introductory things that will cover the exact definitions of this particular classification and prediction by using certain examples that will exactly define or that will exactly specify what this particular classification and prediction issue is there. Now, if we observe these two words classification and prediction, these two words plays very important role in the process of data mining. This is why once that particular data is gathered from that warehouses and once those particular association rule mining algorithms are applied, these particular classification and prediction that are used for what we can say data analysis. That's why it is already said here that these are the two forms of data analysis that can be used to extract models and that describes what we can say the important classes as well as that will predict what we can say the future data trends. As I have already said, data mining is the process of knowledge discovery. Whatever we are having, by taking help of that, what the next features will be or what trends will be, what regularities are there inside the data, and on basis of those particular regularities found, what will be the regularities in the future that we are going to predict. And that's why these are the two different forms, this classification and predictions are the two different forms of data analysis which are used to extract what we can say the models that are used to extract models describing what we can say the important classes. Of course, the classes regarding that particular data as well as to predict future trends of those particular data. And these two forms, as I have already said, are called as what we can say the classification and prediction. Now, what this particular does? So, classification model predicts categorical class labels. Now, you have to just what we can say understand this particular properly. Classification model predicts categorical class labels, and prediction model predicts continuous valued function. Now, see what this is. Whatever data we are having, whatever data tuples we are having, among those particular data tuples, if we have to arrange those particular data items into a specific categories, then the classification model comes into play. Whereas, if suppose we have to find out what will be the trend of that particular data or what will be the next incoming data, so that can be predicted by using what we can say the prediction model. So what I am saying again, the classification model predicts categorical class labels, whereas the prediction model predicts what we can say the continuous valued function. Now here we are having an example of this. What this example says, we can build a classification model to categorize bank loan applications. We can have a classification model that is used to categorize what bank loan applications as either safe or risky. Now, whatever bank loan applications are coming from what we can say the customers of the bank. So, bank has to decide whether the loan is to be what we can say given to that particular bank customers or not. And for that purpose, the bank can categorize or bank can classify those particular loan applications that they have gathered into two groups or into two categories, and those categories may be considered as what we can say safe and risky. Clear? Getting this? So classification is what? So classification is nothing but it is the process of dividing. It is the process of dividing what we can say whatever data we are having into different class labels. Now for a bank, we can have a class label called as safe and risky. So those particular applications that they found safe will be placed into safe category, and those applications that they found what we can say risky will be placed into risky categories. So such types of categorization can be done. So the example clearly specifies here the meaning of classification. And what is prediction? Or a prediction model to predict the expenditure in dollars of potential customers on computer equipment given their income and occupation. What is the example for prediction? As an example, prediction model can predict what the expenditure in dollars of potential customers on computer equipment that gives their income and occupation. Means whenever certain income and occupation is given, then that particular bank can what we can say bank or any other what we can say firm. Okay, if they what we can say generate the data of the customers regarding their occupation and regarding their what we can say the income, so they can assume whether those particular customers are going to what we can say spend certain expenditure over what we can say the computer equipment or not. Clear? So by taking help of certain data items, predicting something, okay, by calculating those particular or by analyzing those particular data item is considered as what we can say a prediction, and that can be done by what we can say designing certain prediction model. So of course these models are designed by specific what we can say different conditions, by analyzing that particular data. Even the models can be designed by using what we can say certain logic, and that logic may use what we can say of course certain flowcharts, certain programs. Okay, so that will give idea to that particular firm or that particular what we can say if we take the example of bank, the bank manager, that whether those particular customers are faulty or safe, whether those particular customers can buy the what we can say or take the loans or not. So such types of things can be what we can say analyzed by using this particular what we can say two words called as classification and prediction. And as I have already mentioned here, these are the two words or these are the two forms. Which one? Classification and prediction, that are used for data analysis purpose. Okay, data analysis purpose, and that can be used to extract models. Okay, that describes what we can say the importance of classes, as well as that can be used to predict something. Okay, so this is what regarding classification and prediction. Now again we will go into the details of that. Now, what is exactly a classification? In the last slide we have seen classification and prediction in combined. Now here we are discussing this classification and prediction issues in different ways. Okay, now what is classification? Now for this, here we are having certain examples as well as certain what we can say a theoretical discussion. Now following are the examples of cases where the data analysis task is classification. हम लोगों को समझना पड़ेगा कि कौन सा ऐसा टास्क है, कौन सा ऐसे एग्जांपल्स है जहां पे क्लासिफिकेशन करना पड़ता, और कौन सा ऐसे एग्जांपल्स है या एरिया है जहां पे हमें प्रेडिक्शन इशू यूज करना पड़ता. So following are the examples of cases where the data analysis task is classification. Now what is that? A bank loan officer wants to analyze the data in order to know which customers, means loan applicant, are risky or which are safe, that we already discussed in the last slide. बैंक लोन ऑफिसर होता है बैंक के अंदर. दैट बैंक लोन ऑफिसर वांट टू एनालाइज व्हाट the bank loan officer want to analyze what the data of that particular customers which are considered as the loan applications. Okay, and he has to categorize that loan application whether those customers are risky or whether those customers are safe. Second example is there. A marketing manager at a company needs to analyze a customer with a given profile who will buy a new computer. Okay, marketing managers, he has to, what we can say, determine, he has to specify, he has to determine whether the customer is, what we can say, willing to buy that particular computer or not. And that can be done by, what we can say, checking the income status of those particular customers. What is the occupation, what is the salary he get per month, and depending on all those particular issues, the marketing manager will decide, or marketing manager will analyze rather, whether what are those particular customers who will going to purchase that particular product. इन बोथ द वो एग्जांपल्स, अभी जो हमने एग्जांपल्स देखे, एक बैंक का देखा और एक मार्केटिंग मैनेजर का देखा, इन बोथ द वो एग्जांपल्स अ मॉडल और अ क्लासिफायर इज कंस्ट्रक्टेड. In both these examples, a model or a classifier is constructed for what? To predict the categorical labels. To predict the categorical labels, and these labels are risky or safe in case of, what we can say, bank application, for loan applications data, and yes or no for marketing data, of course. Okay, so what they are doing, ki among all those particular data items, either that may be generated through, what we can say, the loan applications, that may be generated through the general information of the customers, like what we can say, the occupation and the salaries. Okay, they are classifying that particular data on the basis of certain class labels. In case of bank application, the class labels are whether they are risky and safe. So risky and safe, these two words are considered as the class labels. In case of the latter example, yes and no, these are considered as, what we can say, the class labels. Yes and no. Under that particular two columns, that particular loan manager will determine whether the loan is to be, what we can say, that marketing manager will determine whether that particular customer is going to buy the product or not. So such types of, what we can say, class labels that can be determined in case of, what we can say, the classification process. So what is the output of classification process? Whatever data, volume of data we are having, categorizing that volume of data into certain class labels is the output. Okay, clear? Okay, just move further. Now, again, what is prediction? ये तो हो गया classification के बारे में. What are prediction? So again, we are having certain example for this. Following are the examples of cases, okay, where the data analysis task is prediction. Data, basically, prediction and classification both are considered as data analysis task. Okay, so suppose the marketing manager needs to predict. Now he has to predict what? How much a given customer will spend during a sale at his company. In this example, we are bothered to predict a numerical values. Therefore, the data analysis task is in this example of numerical prediction. Clear? Means, suppose consider there is, what we can say, a marketing manager, and he needs to predict at what cost or at what price the customer is going to purchase, or customer may purchase, what we can say, a particular product, suppose say computer. Okay, so at what price, and price money is always, what we can say, a numerical type of data, and such type of prediction is called as, what we can say, a numeric prediction. Now in this case, a model for predictor will be constructed that predicts, what we can say, a continuous valued function or ordered value. Now see, in case of prediction, what is going to construct? In case of prediction, always a valued, continuous valued function or ordered value function is going to construct. Clear now? So again, I will specify this example. Suppose the marketing manager needs to predict how much a given customer will spend. Okay. During what? During a sale at his company. उसके कंपनी में जो सेल हो रहा है, उसके अंदर एक कस्टमर कितना ज्यादा से ज्यादा एक्सपेंडिचर कर सकता है, इसका प्रेडिक्शन निकालना है. In this example, we are bothered, okay, to predict a numeric value. मैंने बताया अभी, how much he is going to spend, how much. So this always comes into, what we can say, a numerical value. Okay. So therefore, the data analysis task in this example is numeric prediction. Okay. Now see, whenever the prediction is to be done, okay, then we have to make use of what? Regression analysis. And regression analysis, as we know, is one of the statistical methodology. Okay, that is generally used for numerical prediction. So regression and correlation, these are the two terminologies that I have already discussed in my previous what we can say videos. Okay, so regression analysis is generally considered as a statistical methodology that is used for what we can say a numerical prediction. Clear? So this is what regarding what we can say a prediction. Now here in this particular slide, we are going to discuss what we can say a broad difference between classification and prediction. Okay, we have seen some of the examples. We have discussed what the classification and prediction is. So what is given? Classification and prediction. So classification always predicts categorical class labels. I have already specified here categorical class labels that may be either discrete or nominal. It classifies data or constructs a model based on the training set. Okay, now what is this training set? So training set is nothing but it is the actual data set. Okay, whatever it may be, whatever data set we are having, that is considered as a training set. Okay, and the values are constructed for class labels in a classifying attribute and uses it in classifying new data. Very simple. Okay, so in case of classification, it is going to predict what? Categorical classes. Okay, and that categorical classes can be constructed from that particular training data sets. Whereas in case of prediction, the prediction models are continuous valued function, that is it predicts what? Unknown or missing values. Means जो चीज हम लोगों के पास है उसको सिर्फ डिवाइड करना, ये हो गया क्लासिफिकेशन. जो चीज हमारे पास है उसको डिवाइड करके नई क्या हो सकती, न्यू आने वाली चीज क्या हो सकती, न्यू आने वाला डेटा आइटम क्या हो सकता, उसके बारे में प्रेडिक्ट करना है, यानी प्रेडिक्शन. ओके, simple. So the typical applications, those are what we can say the credit approvals, the target marketing, the medical diagnosis, fraud detection. These are the well-known application where these classification and prediction issues can be considered. As an example, again we will discuss credit approval. We know whether the credit is to be given to the customers or not, whether it is to be approved for the customers or not, that is determined by using what we can say the classification model. Okay, the target marketing, so that can be done by using what? First a classification and then the prediction. Target marketing, what are those particular customers, okay, those are going to buy the products. Target marketing. Medical diagnosis, okay, whatever what we can say symptoms a particular patient is having, and according to those particular symptoms, okay, which will be classified into certain classes, then certain prediction can be made. So that is known as what we can say a prediction, medical diagnosis. Then even we can have a fraud detection. So all these are considered as what we can say the examples or the areas where this classification and prediction models can be used. So this is what a basic concept of this classification and prediction. Here in this particular video, we have seen this definition, the concepts of classification and prediction, along with certain examples, and hope you understood this particular concept properly. Thank you and keep watching my videos. Thank you, friends.